What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the molemo Bug Zapper Indoor / Outdoor. This is a 3-in-1 mosquito repellent. It kills mosquitoes, gnats, moths, flies, fruit flies, whatever bugs you need to get rid of. It gets it out of here. That's what we are going to see in this review. All right, you guys, I want to salute PetX. PetX sent this out here for review. Once again, they sent this out here. They did not pay for me to do this review, you guys. They said go ahead and give an honest opinion. Now, with that being said, my honest opinion actually come with scientific facts. Okay. Well, I don't know if it's really scientific facts, but it comes with video facts. So you know, all of my products that I review on this channel, I try to give y'all video proof of the product working. All right, I try to. Some stuff like, you know, the eye repellent, I left the eyes out there. I put the night trail camera out there, and I haven't had nothing coming through the yard, so it's kind of no point of posting it. So maybe it's working. Okay, so as far as inside, I have gnats. You know, we got plants. If you have plants, you got gnats. A lot of y'all act like, oh, I don't have bugs in my house. Well, guess what? Bugs comes in the house, you guys. It is what it is. They find a way to creep into the house. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this thing fresh out the box. Said that mosquito lure stuff. Don't know what this is yet, so we'll wait to open this. Usually brushes be small, but this one is pretty long. Maybe for the people that got bug phobia. Right, we got another little charger. I kind of like the design of this, you guys. I wonder if the whole thing glows purple. All right, so it looked like you have an open and close right here. It has nice little rubber, and it's hard to move. Once it's on the table, it's not like it slides. All right, you guys, so right here it says open and close. On the back also it says open and close, just in case you forget. As y'all know, righty tighty, lefty loosey, so we're gonna turn it left, and I guess this is where the bugs will lay. Here goes your charger port right there. Your charger wire right here. This is USB Type-C. All right, just showing y'all this real quick. It's a good little snap on it. All right, you guys, before I get into the instructions, I'm gonna show y'all the rest of it. Now, this don't close, just in case you think it closed. It don't turn, and if you try to, you will definitely break it, I believe. Now, they have a little grid here, so you know this is 1800 volts, so yeah, you do not want to touch that. All right, there is a fan inside as well, and we starting to notice that a lot of Bug Zapper models these days are having a fan in it. I reviewed my modern Bug Zapper, which I have upstairs, that has the fan that blows the bugs inside, and this one also has the same thing, and it does shocking as well. So if the fan don't get them, it will shock them, and then the fan will bring them down. On the top it says attractive bait. The bait can last up to 1 to 2 months. This is not rechargeable. So what they're saying is you plug it in, and this is its power source. And we will double check that also as well. But I believe if this was battery built in, it would have turned on by now, because they always have a little bit of juice in it. All right, and that's about it, you guys. Right on top, I don't want to open it right now because I don't have no gloves. I'd rather have gloves on while I'm doing this. So yeah, let me get, oh, I do have gloves. Let me put some gloves. All right, you guys, so I found me some gloves. Oh, it's a container. Oh, okay, this is not bad. They give you one of these little reset pins. That way you can poke holes in the lure right there. So lure fits right on top, nice and snug. So let's see how many bugs we catch. Okay, everyone, okay. We are at the final sit down, you guys. Final review of this thing. Y'all know I don't hold back. This thing sounds like the 4th of July during the nighttime. I left it in the kitchen. I did have it by the sink, but then the best place to put it was by on my island, right close to the trash can. All right, but it did zap a lot of bugs by the sink, and I feel as though it was better by the trash can. That was a personal preference. Now, you may want to put this somewhere around your fruits, because you know you got the fruit fly, gnats, or whatever you want to call them. To me, they all called gnats. Flying things in the house, all right? They stay in your plants, they stay in the soil, they stay in the drains, they stay everywhere. They stay everywhere, okay? Now, I want to say that this thing was like pop, 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 pop. You guys, I haven't seen no flying bugs in the past couple of days. I think they might be done. I think they might be done. It might be over. Okay, I'm so excited right now. I'm gonna be honest, this thing really over exceeded my expectations. So y'all know I have the little dome zapper upstairs, so I keep that one upstairs also. But I turned it off because I wanted to test this one out by itself. I think for some reason, maybe the light might draw the bugs or the gnats or whatever you call them to this machine more. They were zapping on here more than they were zapping on the other one. So it might be the light source that brings them in more. That's all I could really say. Let me see it. Did I get any in here? Woo-wee. There's a whole lot of them. Look at that, you guys. Those was in my kitchen, in my living room, sunroom, maybe the dining room, and the living room, family room, and whatever room. It's a whole lot of them. Now, I did leave the fan off. That's when I had the fan on, and then one day I left the fan off, and a lot of them got stuck. I don't know if you can really see it, but if you look on the white part right there, you can see bugs right there on there. All right, now I do have the mosquito lure on here. One thing, oh dang, and a whole bunch of them. I'll vacuum that. One thing I am going to say, when I did have this outside, it wasn't really like the other zappers that I have as far as being outside. I think this should be where they said, you know, indoors. I think they said indoors and slash outdoors. I'm not sure. I will look back at the Amazon description to double check, but this is mainly for indoors. I know that much because this cannot be, or this can't get wet. All right, if it gets wet, I believe this will get destroyed. So don't leave this outdoors. Me personally, I love this in the house. I'm about to clean it, put it back in the kitchen because this is worth the money. I don't care. I love this thing. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. Put it in the comment section. But as far as I know, this one is the best bug zapper that I have for indoors, okay? Indoors, that is it. If you need an indoor bug zapper, you guys get this molemo. Link in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will definitely catch y'all on the next product review.